Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off over updates for selling notifications on your eBay app. We will go to turn off this marker now. How you can do that on your app? All you have to do, just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, then you click here on notification or settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here, then you just click here on notifications and you come to notifications window here and you just go down here, then you come here to selling notifications, you come here to over updates, you will click here on this mark or this color, and like you see color it's gone, that's me over updates for selling notifications, it's turned off now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it, just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.